welcome back to my channel. Here I am back with a new recipe. This is made with milk cream, also called as Malai in Hindi and called as Migada in Telugu. Here I have some Malai which I have been collecting for a week and I store it in the refrigerator, in the freezer actually. So here it is. You can see that it is really hard. So what we will be doing is we will leave it out for 2 hours and then it will become soft and ready to make our sweet. So just see how soft it is. Okay, so now let's go ahead with the ingredients. You just need two ingredients for this sweet, and they are the malai, for which is 1 cup, and you need sugar 3/4 cup, and just two cardamoms for the nice sweet flavor. So I have a thick bottom pan here. I will just switch it on, and I will be adding both these ingredients one after the other. So here is the cream and then followed by the sugar. The quantity of sugar is left to you. You can add little more or little less. So just continue to stir this. That's it actually. You will be stirring it all through and the sweet is ready. So after a few minutes you would notice that the whole cream is boiling with lots of bubbles. Just continue to keep stirring. So it is slightly thicker now. So it takes just 10 minutes, and very soon you would notice that the color changes to a pale yellow, and after that it would change to a light brown color. So do you notice it has thickened further? Just continue to keep stirring. We are almost done now. Yeah, so we are now ready to pour this into a plate. You can just take a shallow plate and pour it onto this. So just spread it out evenly, and let's leave it to cool, and then we can cut it into pieces. So it is ready, and now it is cool, and we will now cut it to pieces using a sharp knife. So here it is. Malai sweet is ready. It's yummy, and it will be finished in no time, I'm sure. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in my next video.